Hello, my collective. How's everyone doing? I hope everyone's well. Everyone's had a wonderful, wonderful day, or is about to have a great one wherever you are. So we're gonna have a short read today, yaar. I have a deliverable, a personal deliverable. So let's just knowing myself. I know I won't be able to stop. So I need to really, let's just set an alarm here. So it's 9:30, about almost 9:30. So let's just set an alarm for okay, let's do 28 minutes. Yeah, let's just try to keep this in within the 30-minute slot if we can. I really have to. Okay, but then let's quickly start with evoking our angels, evoking Archangel Michael. I love you, thank you. Archangel Chamuel. क्या बात है all. I thought so. My intuitively, I already knew what's happening here. Oh, but anyways, it's okay. Archangel Gabriel. Sorry, this is Archangel Raphael. What? Yeah. I'm sorry if you didn't like that. And Archangel Gabriel now. Yo. Yeah. Oh my God. Did you hear that? Finally. OMG. So Archangel Gabriel. Okay. Energy keeps on hovering around the same legit, that kind of envious, jealous kind of energy. But then, if you're a chosen one, that's literally every day. Yeah. Okay, let's just begin. So why am I even here if I have I don't have enough time today to do this? Why am I even here? I got this confirmation and it came in so loudly, and I don't think I've ever had 3 confirmations come on the same message at the frigging same time. It's like dum dum dum. It didn't even take 2 full seconds, because I think 2 seconds will be like, that's 2 seconds, right? This was like do do do, like oh my God. And it was right in the morning. So when divine gives me something, see, for divine there is no morning, night, whatever, right? But for us, so they know that we are in the 3D realm. And if something is given to us first thing in the morning, I knew that okay, ask to reading 100%, there is no way around it when I got this confirmation. And this is for whoever, if you remember my message from either last time or last to last time, I think last to last time, there was a message for, let me just open that exact page so that I have those notes. Message for the download was Pandit, and I explained that divine clarified that with saying Gyani, and we realized that divine is literally pointing towards someone who's an expert in their field, or whatever field that may be. It may be their work, it may be their hobby, it may be an extracurricular activity, or whatever it is, something that they do in their downtime, something, or an art form that they practice, whatever, they paint, they draw, they dance, they do service, whatever it is. Okay, I'm just giving you tracks here. It may be one of these or something else, I don't know entirely, right? So this was the confirmation. Divine was saying that someone has reached an expert level at what they do. All right, it's like a compliment. See, take it as a compliment. Divine saying that divine thinks and believes that you're now at an expert level. All right, and today divine clarified that. And what did it mean by that? Because the download stopped there. So the follow-up to that was, today I had the same message, Pandit, and this time again big, loud, full caps on, right? Okay, and it was Pandit again, Pandit, and then came not expert or Gyani, came specialist. That was the second. First Pandit, specialist, and then coach. Pandit, specialist, coach. Dung dung dung. I was like, oh, okay, bombardment of knowledge, okay, of this It was, this is the first time I've had it this way, very uniquely, but it came in loud and clear. In fact, divine is like, whoever it is meant for, you're being guided, all right, towards being like a mentor, being a coach, whatever, lifestyle coach, or counselor, something which relates to coaching. So you're supposed to pass that art form or whatever skill that you have to share it with other people. May not have to like pass it on to another generation, it may not be that way, but let's say you do something really well. Okay, let's say for instance, if I were to take my example, if I do, let's say I assume that I do this really well. Okay, so then my job here, divine is what is telling me, is like I have to like help other people with it, like coach other people with it. Like if I have been through something and I've been able to like come out with flying colors, and I should be able to like guide other people through such challenges and upheavals and tumultuous times, so that they have the guidance that I had through divine, right? I'm divine spokesperson, right? But that I'm just giving you my track, that if I were to apply that to my scene here, to myself and my life, that would be it. So similarly, whatever you do, okay, you might be, let's say for instance, you have interest in lost arts, let's say for instance, right? There's a lot of history on for that sake, because a lot of our history was like misconstrued, was given to us in a whatever concocted way. It was supposed to suit a certain party, and we're supposed to like suit kind of like adjust and compromise with a certain community, placate them, whatever it was, right? So you might be someone who's supposed to like guide people through that, also give them the truth, give them the real picture, what really happened, something like that. I'm just again give one of the tracks, all right? But last and divine did point out at musician, like that's how the musicians or the dancers or the classical dancers are known as like Pandit ji, and that's how they're called and they're addressed, right? So it could be you could practice in a very old classical dance form that's almost dying. When I was a child, all right, not that I'm not now, I still am a child, but really no, jokes apart, when I was a child, we used to have, there was this institute that used to have these classical dance classes, like a big one, like just my certificate milta bro, like legit, not like someone teaching you just as like just like teaching you like that. No, like legit classes. They proper, they had buses come over to pick the kids, so there was like almost like legit school basically. And at the end of the course, you had like various courses, and they were all into classical dancing. Okay, everything was classical dancing. And at the end of the course, you had to give an exam, like pass an exam, and then they used to give you a certificate, proper. So a lot of my friends were learning Bharatnatyam at the time. A lot of my friends were learning Bharatnatyam. I couldn't go there because I think it clashed with my school timings. I came back home at around 2:30 or something, and they used to pick up kids at 2 o'clock, right? So that's how I just know that I wasn't able to learn. I wasn't able to go to that school, that dance school. It was like legit, not like a school which also had dance. No, it was a dance school. So it could be something like that. You could have, maybe you're guided to open something like this, start a business with, with a group of teachers who know this dance form, or maybe you know this dance form. Or, a lost art is, I would call them a lost art. I don't see kids learning Bharatnatyam these days. I'm pretty sure I haven't heard any. I do not know how many these how many of these lambdas would actually even can name 5 dance forms, classical dance forms, Indian classical dance forms. I'm very fairly certain they won't be able to name 5, fairly certain. But anyways, it's not about them. But my point is, like, you could, so here, no, that being the point, let me take that back. So maybe that is how it is in the generations today. The lambdas do not know about this, and we are going to lose these art forms that, and so maybe your job is to revive them, to bring them back, and to keep them alive. Maybe something like that. But it was very simple, very on point, very on target. Pandit, okay, Pandit, specialist, coach. So just Just apply it on yourself. जिसके भी होगा, they would have that knock in their heart, they would know it is for them, right? That being that, this was a message for which my husband was telling me, "Arey yaar, chodo, aaj we have like other things to do, so let's do it next week or something." I was like, no, I have a message that I have to like give it to someone, so this is imperative, like it had to come to you today. Who knows, maybe you had to hear it today, and maybe by the end of this week or over the weekend you might take a decision that would, lead you towards your purpose. Maybe that's your purpose, or one of the missions, whichever way, but looks, sounds like, and feels a lot like purpose. If you are the one who's going to bring back, let's say, because Divine did not just out of the blue, did not just remind me of the dance school for like thing. It has to be, and it's Pandit also. Again, we saw last time also when we researched that Pandit is literally used for like musicians and these dancers or classical dancers, right? So like Pandit Birju Maharaj, right? That's who came to my mind first. And he's like a Kathak. I don't know if he's still alive. I don't think he's still alive. Oh, I don't want to like cry now. But you know what I mean, right? Pandit Birju. So he's also called Pandit Birju Maharaj. Again, he's known to be the pioneer of Kathak. Remember the pioneer download of Kathak dance form? If anybody knows Kathak, that's him. And he has taught like most people, most big people who know anything about Kathak have learned it from him. And you see the olden times, people used to could not even say their guru's name. I think there was another word that was used for them, of course, Panditji, and there's something else was also used. All right, of course, otherwise, so just like if you're like Urdu mein bolna, to it could be like Ustad, that was used, all right. But the word given to me was Pandit, so let's not take it too literally. It could be Ustad also, like, you know what I'm trying to say. But seems like an art form, an art that you are supposed to keep alive, all right, something like that. Okay, dwell on it. What a relief, bro. I almost did not do it, and I thought like 9:20 hone wale. I was like, maybe not. And then Divine was like, no, maybe yes. Let's do this. Okay, what else do I have that I have to cover today? What did I get? Fortune I covered last time, but there was something else also. Fortune also, I got a clarification on fortune also. Remember the Fortunet download we had last time? Clarification and confirmation I've written. I took my time to write clarification and confirmation. So now I have abandoned the body and everything else. By good fortune, my true self becomes apparent. Okay, so this is from Ashtavakra Gita or Samhita. So it's Divine says, so now I have abandoned the body and everything else. By good fortune, my true self becomes apparent. I cannot, why I paused for a second was it's everything that I got today was either related to this, except for that confirmation, that one that came in literally first thing in the morning. Everything else that I got today relates to this. And there's one more message that Sri Hari was talking about Kali Yuga, about something when he talked about how he was trying to like explain Kali Yuga in different ways. It was just these two tracks. No matter what I did, was literally just these two tracks. This one is from my Guruji maybe. All right, and I got a download from him also, but that was my personal download, so that's why I didn't come up with first. But then this is just reminding me of that. He also said the same thing, that basically your ego is that you come to that enlightenment stage, you'll see the difference between the rest and yourself, right? And then that is the last stage, when you see the difference between yourself and the rest, that difference, that ego. The ego is the difference, right? And not in a bad way. We're not looking at ego as someone being prideful. We're looking at ego as that you still being present in your present reality. Like you looking at yourself in your present reality. It's slightly spiritual, all right, in the sense like we are not talking about ego as in a definitive ego. All right, we're talking about ego as in spiritual ego, which is what your identity is, right? Let's say your name is Falana Dimkana, you do this, these are your duties, this is what you have as family, that's an identity, all right? That is what you're attached to, that is your self, that is what we call the ego, that I am this, I am that. And we are still not taking it in the prideful way. We are saying that this is who you are, this is what someone else is. So what Mahavatar Babaji, or what even like Krishna was saying, was all about this. Like, it is literally the last stage where you can even still see yourself. Like, you're on the precipice of like completely dissolving into the universe, like literally becoming, Brahma. And this is not Brahma Dev, like Brahmand in that sense. All right. So he literally says that you're on that precipice, and this is your good fortune by which you'll be able to like dissolve this ego as well. So it's literally the last final stage, right? Literally, and the word was precipice. So it just reminded me of that. That's your fortune, that's your good fortune, that's how you're fortunate that you've been able to travel that much. Most people, and that's what he was saying, most people don't even get here. And not that everybody leaves the journey, but a lot of people leave the journey. It's very difficult for them, very painful. It's not for everyone. All right, journeys, this is not for everyone. But then there are other people who get to a certain point, but they're not able to ascend beyond a certain point, right? And he was saying that this was for me, like you've been able to ascend to a level that most people don't get there. All right, now, so now I have abandoned the body and everything else. By good fortune, my true self becomes apparent. So it is what, like, once you dissolve that ego also, your true self would come out, which is your true self, which is you are the universe, you are the stardust, you're made of the universe, you are of the universe. Will become apparent. It's kind of paradoxical, right? Like, once you lose yourself, you become yourself. That ways. Yeah. Okay. And again, it was like something about your awareness is guiding you. So again, your awareness. What is this awareness? The awareness could be like the divine inside you. Your higher self could be guiding you. All right. A lot of times we just don't like give it much thought, but okay, yeah, thanks Divine, thank you. Divine just reminded me, there was a short that I was watching. So not everything on the internet is toxic, okay? There's some good bit. If you want to sieve through, you can find some good bit, also something that will stick with your brain and can guide you on the day, on the moment when you want it. All right. So Divine reminded me, there was a girl who had made a short about this, and it was like she was talking about like that scene in Harry Potter wherein so there's a scene when he's lying down, and there's that okay, it's been a while since I've seen it. What is that, baby? Kya bolte hai usko? What was that light creature that, forgetting the light creature. Abhi isko bhi yaad nahi kar. What is that light creature that comes na, jo evoke nahi karte hain Harry Potter mein? You can send your, part of your spirit, like a spirit animal or something. What is that called? Drawing a blank now, maybe. Are that the thing that saves him? He thinks that it was sent by his mother. मम्मी उसको लगता है किसी मम्मी ने भेजा था, मम्मी ने बचा ली उसकी जान, पापा ने बचा ली उसकी जान. Something like, he thinks his parents had sent it, especially his mom had sent it. That light creature, okay, now everybody else I'm sure has got it, okay. No help, you are of no help. Please leave the room. अरे बंद करके जाओ भाई. Anyways, so he's going to come back with the wrong answer if he does. Okay, anyway, so that, I'm like, what was that called? It's right at the tip of my tongue, bro. What is it called? अभी ना मेरे को लैपटॉप खोलना पड़ेगा. We should jog our brains. I'm sure everybody else has got it. What is it? हाँ, मैं 19 minutes हो गए. मैंने अपने आप को 28 minutes दिए. Malhotra, come up with an answer quickly. We're losing time. Oh yeah, hang on for a second. This is fun though. What is plow? Plow? Why am I coming with plow? Plow? What is that, Divine? What is that? Oh, it's gonna like annoy out of me. The blank out of me. Divine, don't laugh. हाँ मेरे से और लोग भी हैं, मैं सर्च मारी हुई Patronus is, hey, Patronus था वो. Now he's saying, oh, Patronus, right? So those light animals, those guardian creatures, right, that you could create like out of your love, care, compassion, your guidance, your protection, and it's like a blessing. Patronus क्या चाहिए? अरे मेरे को चाहिए, मैंने इसमें अलार्म लगाया हुआ है. If you want the hard stop तो फिर otherwise सुबह 7 मिनट रह गए, जाओ. So that so again, so it's like, so she basically, so coming back to the original point, so she made a short wherein she says you know that if you remember that scene where Harry actually thinks that that was his mother or his dad, like one of his parents had sent it, or his parents collectively had sent that creature to save his life, but he later finds out that it was him, his higher self, his future self had sent it. Like, take it past, present, future, whichever way you see time as time was robbed, right? So his self, let's say I'm going to call it his higher self had sent that to save him. It was like your own self has sent, like, is protecting yourself. So it's slightly on the mess side, but what I mean to say is how your awareness is guiding you. It is you maybe from another realm, from another timeline, that is kind of directing you, navigating you through challenges and guiding you, protecting you whenever needed. Alright, so like today I mean you could literally just get up one day and feel, you can feel the like a lot of negative energy hovering around you and everything. So there are times, so that kind of your own self, your conscious self, in fact I've had an experience and I did not know at the time. I was confused at the time, like what it was. Thank you, Joanne. Confirmation ke liye. Yeah, this happened. Oh, wow, this was like really long ago, but I did see, and this was like a difficult time, all right. And for a split second, I saw myself, all right, and in a very meditative, like I was literally sitting down like I'm sitting down, you can't see it, all right, and I had my hair open just like I have it open now, but slightly straighter than what I have, but almost like this, all right, and I saw myself literally sitting down, literally the AC like middle parting, and sitting down and just in meditative, I saw myself on another plane. I wasn't. It was very real. It wasn't something that you imagine or something. It was very real. And for a second, I was like, what was that? I had to like literally ask Divine, was that me? Because it looked like me, but still wasn't me. If you know what I'm trying to say. If it was me in a different version, either from a different timeline altogether, or my future self, or my higher self. There could be various future selves, right? My higher self. In order for me to get there, I'm sure I have to go through a very detailed evolution. So it seemed like my higher self, because it just seemed very sorted and seemed like, so at that time I felt that I was being protected. Literally, it was ages back, and like I said, I had to consult Divine for this. I had like a very similar experience. Like she said, that Harry realizes, when the girl who made this reel, that Harry realizes only later that it was him only who protected himself. That was me. It was I, Hermione, something like that. Right? So that realization, most of the times, that is your awareness. What is your awareness? The God inside you, the universe inside you. You are inside the universe. Like that is the I dissolving and becoming something else, part of something much bigger. And by becoming a part of something much bigger, you become bigger. If you know what I mean. Alright? Go with it. Agar nahi samajh aaya, it's okay. It's perfectly fine. It's only for people with spiritual experiences. In fact, Again, I literally was listening to somebody today, and he very evolved gentleman and everything, and he also said the same thing, that only see a lot of people who will not be able to understand this, and he also said exactly the same thing that I said in my last reading, that it's perfectly okay. If you don't get it, you don't get it, you move on, bro. It's perfectly all right. This is a spiritual channel, and there's a lot of things that won't make sense to you if you're not on a spiritual journey, or if you're not in that stage, if you haven't really crossed that stage. All right, it's perfectly okay. So he also said the same thing. It's our awareness that, it's we are part of a much bigger picture. We don't realize it, but at the same time, paradoxically, at the same time, we are literally nothing but a speck of dust. All right. Okay, that, and there was something about meditation that Divine has not clarified to me, but they only gave me meditation. So it's just meditation. That's it. Nothing before or after that. So I don't know. I don't have clarification on it yet, but I'll come back to you whenever I get it. I have to show you an image which I forgot to show you last time before the time runs out. Kitna ho gaya abhi? 2 minutes something to go. Okay, wait. Please image मैंने सही से download कर, because when I saw it, want to hear about Patronus? I'm sure everybody got it before me, but still. Guardian creatures made of pure silvery white light produced by the Patronus charm. Yeah. You got it, bro. That's it about it. Okay. अरे उसे क्यों क्लोज करा भाई मैंने? Hang on for a second. Oh, I did that for nothing happens for no reason. Hang on, battery. Okay, if you remember my download from again 2 reads ago, I guess there was a download about thunder and lightning. I gave you basically lightning, that I told you I got this image like a million times. I could not escape it. That's how downloads come. Divine gives it to you from left, right, center, and you say, "Are we confirmed?" And then you're like, "Down." It keeps coming. All right. So there was that thunder and lightning, especially. Again, I correct myself. Lightning that's striking ground, coming from the sky like so, and striking ground. SNEK is just rainy and it just dissolves in the middle. No, it literally coming from the sky and hitting ground. And told you that's Lord in the story I was given was Lord Indra's Vajra, which was created from Rishi Dadichi's bones, so a magical and very blessed weapon that Indra used to kill a demon, Vratasur. Alright, who jo mari nahi raha tha kisi se bhi. He was killed by that. Okay, so that's like a Vratasur. It's almost like, an analogy, metaphorically look at him like kind of like obstructions or hindrances or blocks, or again like when people send ill intent, they hex you, curse you, that kind of like बोलते रहते हैं ना. I'm not literally meaning hexing and cursing, but yeah, time over yaar. But now I have time, I'll take a few seconds. So that kind of, though that block being destroyed, not removed, प्यार से नहीं हुआ, ये चपेड़े मारी गई हैं दीवान की तरफ से. Literally. Congratulations. Something about congratulations right now. Okay, so congratulations, something has been destroyed. Oh, thank you, Divine. Something has been destroyed, and now whom I have Kal Bhairav right here still on top. And what comes when I broke the deck? It's boon. Bhai, and gold. At this break, it's gold. What else? Okay, nothing else. Now I can't see them. But you know what I'm trying to say? Oh, wow. A boon. So this is, take it as a boon. Take it as like, maybe it's the divine feminine energy who's been blessing us for a while. She's been coming through, right? I think it could be her. It could be Ma Kali, Ma Durga, Mata Parvati, Mata Sita, right? It could be them, or it could be literally Kal Bhairav, as in Lord Shiva, who's been keeping an eye. Oh, I forgot about the image. Okay. That being that, congratulations. And along with it, I gave you another download, that Lighthouse download. That was, I think, a read before that. But if you don't remember it, I'll quickly recall. In the sense, I'll refresh your memory. It was a download where I sort of told you that I saw a vision with a lighthouse right in front, and a very huge, very aggressive, high tidal kind of waves crashing like on the shore and everything. And it was like a tufan coming, a big storm with clouds, but the clouds had not covered the lighthouse. That was something that I noted. Even in that vision, I noted it's not that I can't see the lighthouse and only light is visible and I can't see the lighthouse. No, despite the storm, the lighthouse was visible. All right, metaphorically, that lighthouse is you, my collective. All right, and the storm being the storm, like all this ill intent, all bad energy, all this bad juju, all this envy, all this all of that, that is energy. And somebody thinks it's funny, it's not. All right, somebody wishes you badly, it comes in your aura, it comes है, वो तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स का प्रोटेक्शन होता है, तुम्हारे ऊपर भगवान का आशीर्वाद होता है, it doesn't hit you. Otherwise, it's actual energy. Alright, and we'll talk about that energy bit also next time. I don't have the time today, like I said, but we'll talk about the energy bit. What does energy that all we spiritualists, we talk about, what is it really? What does it mean though? Alright? Anyways, so coming back to it, if you remember, I got them together. And I remember when showed me this picture, and which I'm going to just show it to you in a second. That thunder, exactly that thunder hitting ground and lighthouse shining on it. And it doesn't seem like very stormy now. It seems like storm is over. Like was storm tha over, but still divine. Maybe whatever they wanted to do, the opposition, let's say, whatever they wanted to do, divine, please confirm. Whatever they wanted to do, it is over. Whatever they could do, they have done. They've already done it. There is no trick left. Either they can repeat the tricks like like pets. They can do that, repeat that same thing over and over again. All right, they've already been proven. What have they been proven? Whatever, it is different for different people. What I mean to say is that lightning is, but divine is not letting it fly or something. It's not gonna happen. Divine is like, so I have lot Indra's thunder, that download, and the lighthouse together. And again, the lighthouse is fully visible. So what it shows is, divine told me this one aspect of it, divine told me that, see, a lighthouse is not like, doesn't have any people supporting the job that the lighthouse is doing, if you know what I mean. It's supposed to be a singular entity doing it by itself, like, being a lighthouse to people. What does it mean, right? समुद्र में इधर किस तरफ वो कौन सा direction है. The job is to guide, like coach, guide. The coach that the download we got today. The lighthouse's job is to guide people in the right direction, right? To guide ships in the right direction, to let them know कोई भी storm आ रहा हो, तुम्हारा कुछ भी नहीं चल रहा, right? All your devices are down, you're like stuck in the rain, you don't know where you are, everything is awry. But you'll see the lighthouse, I'll show you, here I am, and you know where I'm located, and that is that direction. Almost like a North Star, right? Almost like Dhruv Tara. I know. So this is that. So divine told me, so that is again a very singular entity's job. So most likely, my collective, I'm going to break it to you. But I got, thank you, divine. Thank you. But I'm going to break it to you, okay? And when I got this, it was like I got mine part of this ages ago, but for you it has come now, okay? There is a very, very high likelihood that whatever you do, you'll have to do all by yourself. I'm sorry to say. You will have divine help. Oh, don't get me wrong there. Let me be very, very clear. Divine is with you. The entire universe is with you. But whatever realm you are in, let's say we're in this 3D realm, in the matrix right now, you might have you can just come and go out of the matrix, you can break it, whatever you can do, right? But in the sense but you don't have like a lot of people around you. Whatever you do, it'll be like you doing it. But you'll do this at a very, 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 very big level. And everybody would be able to see you and acknowledge you. That I promise to you. That I know, because I'm going to show you. This is the same picture. Okay, let me see how much I can show you. Same picture you see. You see this, right? The lighthouse and the thunder. And it was a surreal moment when I got this. Like, divine hasn't stopped showing me. And not that I was looking. I don't look for stuff. It just comes to me. It was shown to me in like, and that is where I was told that, you see this lighthouse. There's a, there's. So for me, it was like a reminder for you guys that for whoever this is meant for, know that you have divine standing right next to you, protecting you. Again, that same, your awareness is guiding you. So your awareness is what? Like Lord Indra, the divinity. So you are a part of the universe. You have crossed that threshold that Mahavatar Babaji was talking to me about today, that I just shared with you. That threshold where you dissolve your identity, your ego, into the universe. You're at that so this you have. So when it comes to this, it's almost like, that is why I didn't share it earlier. It came in today for a reason, right? So you have been able to dissolve that self into the universe. That is why you have divine standing right. That is your awareness. It's not, let's say it is Lord Indra, but it is you who is protecting you. Getting a point? Like Harry thought it's mommy or daddy. No, it wasn't the Potters. It was he himself. As in a Potter, yes, he himself, but he was he himself protecting himself. Same way, that is you protecting yourself. Alright, so thunder, that same Lord Indra's Vajra, is protecting while you are doing your job. And you may feel you're alone, you're lonely, you're one-man army or whatever. Maybe your calling is that. Maybe this is what your divine is, I'm sure already does. Divine already shows you off in a way, like to people, like, look at, that's my baby. You see, you literally are the walking, talking personification, manifestation of divine favor, right? So this is how it is. Maybe divine really wants to like you to be there on that podium, let's say, alone, on that spot alone, because divine wants to show, see, my one child can do this much, and you and your entire team of whatever witches and warlocks and liars and God knows what, like evil people, could not scratch my baby. And you're getting the gist, right? I had this, and divine reminded me of this picture also in my last reading, but I lost it for a sec because we were discussing other things and I just lost it. Today, like, it's just everything tied up with it. These are called downloads. That is what means by downloads. Alright, it is meant to be when it is meant to be. There's always a divine destined time, which is known as divine timing and spirituality. Alright, so okay, so meditation ke upar whenever I get, so maybe I don't have the main download yet for meditation. I have received only a part of it, and the rest of it would follow. Alright, so I'll share it then. But for now, remember this: a lighthouse, thunder, destroying all the enemies, hurdles in your way, so that you can keep on guiding, coaching, mentoring, whatever you do, whatever you are, a specialist, an expert, a jnani, a pandit in. Alright, so divine is with you, you are in the divine team, you're a part of the universe. Look at it this way again: you're not this, you're this, but at the same time you're only this. That's the paradox. That is what you have to understand. You have to dissolve your ego to become bigger. Alright, okay, and you're either there. That's what he was saying today. I was like, again, the word precipice just stuck to my mind when he said like precipice, the precipice of that. And very, very, very few people get there. Let me convey that to you. That's what he said. Very, very, very few people get there. Most people don't get there. If they don't leave the journey, then they get stuck on a certain level, and that's where they keep on going in loop. Alright, but you have done exceedingly well, my collective, exceedingly well. Alright, whenever next I hear from him, I'll come and share. I was like too overwhelmed by getting his, because he's my Guruji's Guruji. So that's like really high up. It comes from like top, Alright, so okay, collective, how much we are at 39 minutes हो गया वैसे हो नहीं सकता 30 minutes में कुछ कर नहीं सकती मैं वैसे. Okay, anyway, so I have to go. Really today, I really have to be doing something else, so I will take your leave. The Lamba weekend, big weekend coming in. So I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful time. All right, and I'll meet you very soon again. Until then, bye.